Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you the latest action camera 9500 from Crosstour. First, let's open the waterproof case. Put your finger into the aperture. Press the button on the black lid and then pull backward the lid on the top. You can change the dust cover by pull off the waterproof cover from a 180-degree angle. Second, use your finger to pull out the battery cover. Then, align the 3 holes of battery and 3 joints of the slot into the camera. About the micro SD card, squeeze the tab on the side of the camera. Slightly push the SD card into the slot and push down the cover to its original place. Third, turn on the camera. The power button is on the top of the camera. Press the power button for 3 seconds to turn it on. Press the power button for 3 seconds to turn it off. To format the SD card, please press the power button for several times to enter the settings service. Then press the up button for 3 times to see the format selection. Press OK button and choose OK to confirm. While in video mode, press OK button to start or stop recording. You can enter video setting by pressing the power button. For the settings, the highest video resolution is 4K 30 FPS. The top image size is 20 MP. About the time lapse, the video recorded will be compressed to the time length you set. About the loop recording, you can set the length of recording time according to your preference. For the anti-shaking, it will help the camera to shoot a more stable and smooth picture in all kinds of spot activities. About the lens angle, adjustable lens can meet your needs for different angles of shooting, such as wide, medium, and narrow. About the shooting timer, you can set the shooting timer as you prefer. The burst photo mode is available to set as well. Meanwhile, you can turn the mic on or off as you want. ISO, AWB, scene, these 3 settings can be changed or in auto mode in this camera. For the language setting, we have English, French, German, Spanish, Italian, Japanese, Chinese, and Russian. To enter the playback mode, please press power button for several times to enter the playback interface. You can use the up and down button to view your photo and videos. Then press OK button to play or pause. To use the Wi-Fi connections, please press the up button for once to turn on Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi SSID will be start with CT9500. The connection password will be 12345678. Please download the YouTube Pro app and open it. The camera will automatically connect after you have connected with its Wi-Fi through the app. You can press the red key to start recording when you have entered the camera interface. You can use the app to do file processing. You can delete the files or download the files to your device by using the app. Last but not least, please remember to set the quality of the download video to high definition on your mobile app.
Presenting the Lite action camera. Smooth, powerful, light. The Sony IMX206 image sensor can record in 4K or full 1080p HD at 60 frames per second for over 2 hours. It can also capture 16 megapixel still images, so you can turn those cherished moments into clear, crisp memories. The 150-degree wide-angle lens lets you get panoramic views of the world. And the 2-inch LCD touchscreen is ultra responsive with a highly intuitive user interface, so previewing your shots, changing modes and settings is effortless. Electronic image stabilization steadies the action, and with 9 shooting modes and dozens of compatible accessories, you just need enough moments to capture. The Lite includes a rechargeable lithium battery and a micro USB cable. Just add a micro SD card. The Lite, from the new leader in action cameras.